G'day ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke and self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Another quick video here at the SIGEP show in Rimini, Italy. One of the things that the Italians and the Europeans do really well is they take their product to the streets, and I've got such a wide variety of carts, both those that have compressors and continue to keep that product refrigerated or frozen, and also cold plate carts, and the design is outstanding. So just wanted to take a look at some of the options that are available here in Europe, just to beautifully take your product to the streets, and whether it's at a street fair or taking it to a wedding or a special event like that, some of these carts just really do hold the key in drawing in customers due to their design, their workmanship and their beauty. Well, ice cream lovers, it's like being a kid in a candy store when it comes to having a look at all of these great concepts so far as carts and bikes and trikes are concerned. Now, some of these guys have their own wheels. You can physically wheel them into place. Some of them have faux wheels that give you the impression. Now, regardless, you'll more than likely have to get a trailer and wheel these into place unless you've got venues close to your business that you can simply walk out into a park or an esplanade. A lot of them use this Pezzetti case system where you don't have to have a lot of product on display. Others you can physically get in and drive around. So this unit here is kind of like a trike that you can take out from your store and drive around a specific market or beachside area. Really fantastic. One manufacturer that caught my eye was Paul and Ernst. Now, they are a UK-based company, but their concept here has their extended cart, if you will, fold down over the seat. This fella had a little bit of trouble with the tent here, but in any case, you wheel it to the place, ride it to the place, you fold down the second portion here, and you can really do anything. They had ice cream carts, they had crepe carts. Really very impressed, and they tout that you can have 1,400 scoops on some of these particular carts to take to an event. Put a link down in them below for your reference, but I was pretty impressed. Great company. Now, next level, probably the ultimate, is to physically take a vehicle and basically repurpose it into an ice cream mobile application. And here you'll see this pretty cool Fiat, whatever it is, Fiat 500, Fiat Bambino, converted into a gelato cart. A little bit more higher on the budget. It's not something you can drive to the event, but it certainly does catch people's attention. Well, folks, there you have it. The options are endless. You can go relatively inexpensive, simple cart, cold plates, just to keep your product somewhat cool and refrigerated, to this little fella behind me here. Looks pretty awesome. Look, we'll try and get all of the suppliers' details, put some links down below here. A lot of these carts obviously aren't available in the US, but hey, take some inspiration from some of the great opportunities and the great way that the Europeans take their product to the streets. That's all we have for this episode. Thanks for tuning in. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll see you in the next video.